If you don't like boring bedtime stories but still want to laugh before you sleep, then listen up. This moon's got a sneezing problem. One night the moon went "Ay-achoo!" Pause, sneezing sound. Stars wobbled, comets zigzagged, and even the crickets on Earth went silent. "Bless you," called Earth, tossing up a giant tissue cloud. "Sorry," sniffled the moon. "Too much space dust." Pause, giggle. From that night on, the moon wore a shiny space helmet. But now, when the moon snores, it's so loud, snoring sound. Astronauts need earplugs! Even aliens hovered by and whispered, "Shh, shh." Pause, giggle. So next time you see the moon, give a little wave, and maybe a Gesundheit.